guys used to be the Horsemen.
Why did you break up?
We made some huge mistakes. We got sloppy, cocky.
Sorry, guys, that's really a bummer.
A bummer? I love the way your generation sums things up so eloquently.
What's up? I hear you talking. According to that card, for some reason, I need you. Charlie, June, and Bozo.
It's Bosco Leroy.
What did you type fictional magician name into ChatGPT?
Oh, that's actually my real name, Atlas. Would your mom have sex with a map? That's not funny.
Two generations of magicians brought together for a reason.
Upside down Rome. Cool.
Cool. Is nothing impressive to you? The Vanderburg Corporation launders money for arms dealers, traffickers, warlords. She makes all the world's worst criminals possible.
She doesn't just launder money, she kills people.
This is a chance to make a real difference.
The Vanderburg family does not lose.
What's the trick?
A wise man once told me, in the mirror, in fact, never assume you're the smartest person in the room. Prove it. Diamonds are forever.
This is gonna be fun.
Let's see some magic.
The closer they look, the less they'll actually see. So carry on, my horsemen.
You got this, Jack?
Wait, don't you mean June?
Come on, this isn't fair. I've been picking locks since before she was born.
When does he start the lock picking?
Don't rush me.
He's got it.
Mind if I just, lead the way?
I think he loosened it for her, ultimately.
Still got it.